Here I got RUGGEAR RG850 and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should go to display and now pick wallpaper. It's time to select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. It can be one from the live wallpapers, some of your photos, wallpapers or wallpapers album. And let me pick the last option. And here you can come along with all possible wallpapers. So as you can see, you can choose one of them. Just select the one that you like the most. And for example, I will pick this one. And if you want to apply it, just click on Set Wallpaper. Finally decide if you want this picture to cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or maybe both of them. And I will pick the last option, so home screen and lock screen. And as you can see, from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also your lock screen. Here it is. So that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily change wallpaper in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.